Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 16th April and my video topic is Raman as a chief catcher. Once upon a time, a big kingdom that is known as Vijayanagar, and the ruler by the kingdom is Raja Krishnadev Rai. It is the best king, and also the people will be situated in the kingdom will be happily are living. But once upon a time, some robbers will be some robbers are coming to the Vijayanagar village. They robbers buy the home, and uh, they increasing day by day. That's why the king will be worried more, and the meeting will be they told that king how their solution, how their problem will be solving, how they can catch the these robbers, and someone and then the king will be tasked to the every Navratra or leaders of the uh, in a meeting, and then Tenali Ram also they accept the task, and they will be planning to how they catch the thief. And after that, Tenali Ram were so intelligent and think that how the catch the robbers. Then after that, they thinking that the idea will be one click, and they one day they say to the wife, you mean spread rumors like you spread rumors like in my home on Tenali will be so rich, and so many money will be situated in Tenali Ram homes, and so Tenali Ram's home, so many golds will be situated in Tenali Ram's home. This type of the rumors will be spread in a village, and then after that saying Tenali Ram, then they implement, the wife will be implemented of the Tenali Ram says, and they spread the rumors in a village. They say to anyone in my home, there so many money will be situated. That's but I worry because of the robbers, thievers will be increases, and I will be worried. These rumors will be spread all over the village. Then once these robbers can also listen this rumors, and also Tenali Rams to talk that in my home one vacancy of security will be available. Who can interested? They can join my job. Then this type of rumors will be listened by the robbers. Then one this robber planning that after the gang, one gang member will be going to Tenali Ram home, and Tenali Ram home, and they said that I will be very poor person, and I am will be interested in your job. In your job, you can join. You can accept my proposal. Tenali Rams will be so intelligent. They catch that this one is the one is the this is is a robber, but it is not true at that time. At that time, because of any not evidence, so they catch they is a real robbers. Then once upon the time, once one night, they Tenali Rams will be talk to his wife, and they say that I am so worried because of robbers. I am planning to how how this so many money will be money will be how to place, and they were planning that I will be I one idea this sandu or I put in the drop in the rivers, and they will be safely safe in the rivers. And after then Tenali Ram very intelligent, and they similarly and they also know that robbers will be listen, and then similarly they can follow the step they can say, and then one sandu will be drop in the rivers, and they are not actually will be situated gold, they only situated in uh, uh, big rocks and waste material. And then after that Tenaliram drop into there, Tenaliram going to the sleep. Then robber after sleeping Tenaliram, robbers will be near to the well, and they also gang will giants, and they planning that how will be Sanduk will be get from the well. And they trying so much, and they get all the water outside the river. They remove water from the well outside the river, and so many working hard, they will give Sanduk will be catch, but then Sanduk will be coming catch from the river, and they get outside from the well. Then to see that they will be very happily because to see the Sanduk, but to after that unlocking the Sanduk to see that no one this is the only rocks and no gold will be situated. That's why very surprised that after that position the Tenali Rams arrest to the robbers. This is all about the story of the Tenali Rams and how they catch the robbers. The moral of the story that every time physical power is not very important to success or to anything, but brain also more powerful as compared to the all other weapon. That is the moral of the story. Brain is a more powerful weapon of the all over the world. This is the moral of the today's story, and this is the story of the Tenali. Thank you so much.